radiance of thy word gives light, and now I can see. Oh, I can see. Yeah. Whatever God says I am, I am. Oh, yes, I am. Whatever God says I have, I have. Oh, yes, I have it.
Whatever God says,
Whatever God says I can do
do it. I can do it. Yeah.
Oh, yes, I do it.
CHRIST in me, the hope of glory, many will come to see that you can live a life full of prosperity. A nation that is holy and blameless is what I see. You can live a life that is without fear. Wherever you walk, the devil trembles with fear. Did I make that clear? The devil disappears. This is my message my people need to hear. Yeah, I'ma keep it going, I'ma keep it flowing, cause the glory of God is what I'm truly showing. Said that you can come and fully know me, keep it growing, keep it moving forward. Representing me is what I always been doing, yeah.
Whatever God says I am,
Cheer.
I am. Oh, yes, I am.
Whatever God says,
Whatever God says I have,
I have. Cheer.
oh, yes, I have it.
Whatever God says,
Whatever God says I can do
it. I can do it. Yeah.
Oh, yes, I do it.
I will never lose, I will never fail, cause of Christ in my life I will always prevail. With no sir, I ain't telling you no fairy tale. When man fell, God sent his one and only son die, not just for me, but for everyone die, so you can live free and let his will be done. Fun is this life that I'm living. Ever since the beginning, accepting him to come or live within. It got me never giving up, never giving in. Got the Holy Spirit living within, it causing me to keep on winning. And never will I be pretending, but I'm always keep it representing. How crazy it that circumstances in my life never bring me strife, cause I'm seated in his right hand, standing in his light. I'ma shine so bright, so many other nations may come into his light. And always will I keep on fighting the good fight, yeah.
Whatever God says I am,
Cheer.
I am. Oh, yes, I am.
Whatever God says,
Whatever God says I have,
I have. Cheer.
oh, yes, I have it.
Whatever God says,
Whatever God says I can do
it. I can do it. Yeah.
Oh, yes, I do it.
Whatever God says.